હાય ગાઈસ, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. કેમ છો બધા? મારું નામ છે ઉર્વી અને હું રહું છું ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં. તો ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં આજે એક શોપનું ઓપનિંગ હતું અને એમનું નામ છે જોયા લુકાસ. જોયા લુકાસ છે જ્વેલર્સ છે અને ઘણી બધી બ્રાન્ચો છે એમની, ઘણી બધી કન્ટ્રીમાં છે. અને આજે એ ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં ઓપન થવા જઈ રહી છે. ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં કાલે સિડનીમાં ઓપન થઈ અને આજે મેલબર્નમાં જે એમનું ઓપનિંગ હતું અને ઓપનિંગમાં જે આપણી બોલિવૂડની એક્ટ્રેસ છે કાજોલ, એ આવી હતી અને એ જોવા માટે કેટલું ક્રાઉડ હતું અને કઈ રીતે આપણે ત્યાં ઇન્ડિયામાં હોય છે એવું જ હોય છે કે નહીં. અને આજનું વેધર હતું તો એમાં પણ વરસાદ હતો, તો પણ તેમ છતાં પણ કેટલા નાના મોટા અને જે આપણા એવું નહીં કે ખાલી ઇન્ડિયન લોકો જ, બધી જ અમુક અમુક કમ્યુનિટીના બધા અલગ અમુક કન્ટ્રીના લોકો પણ ત્યાં જોવા આવ્યા હતા. અને જોઈએ આપણે કે કેવું ક્રાઉડ હતું અને તમે પણ જોજો. હું તમને હમણાં આ વિડીયોમાં બતાવીશ અને સાથે એમાં જે એન્કર હોય, એન્કરિંગ કરતા હોય એ બધા પૂછે કે તમે કાજોલનો કયો ડાયલોગ યાદ છે, કોણ કોણ સિંગર આવ્યું છે, તમે કોણ છો, એ ટાઈપનું બધું અમુક અમુક જે કાજોલ નહોતી આવી ત્યાં સુધીમાં થોડી ઘણી નાની નાની મોટી ગેમ રમાડી અને એમનું વેલકમ કઈ રીતે કર્યું. પણ એટલું બધું ક્રાઉડ હતું અને હું તમને બતાવું કે આપણે ત્યાં ઇન્ડિયામાં પણ એવું જ હોય છે. અને હા, બીજી એક વાત યાદ રાખજો કે જો આટલી 5 જ મિનિટ રહી તેમ છતાં પણ આટલું પબ્લિક જોવા માટે આવ્યું, એટલે આપણે પણ કંઈક એવું કરવું જોઈએ કે આપણને જોવા માટે તો ના આવે તો કંઈ નહીં, પણ એક એવું લક્ષ્ય રાખવું જોઈએ કે આપણને પણ એટલી સુધી આપણે પહોંચીએ અને આપણે કંઈક બનીએ એમ. અને
Everybody stand.
Spider-Man is excited. Everyone is excited. All right. Thank you so much for your patience. You know how things are, and especially when there's so much traffic and some accidents. You can't. I'm checking the mic where I should and shouldn't stand. Okay. Is that okay? Everyone can hear me? Hello, my beautiful Melbourne. My name is Vidya, and I'll be your voice today. So we can speak to Kajol together and we can hear from her as well. Okay, but before that, can I ask you all to give a lovely, warm round of applause for yourselves, please? Big round of applause. Yes, thank you. Now this applause is for you because in this cold weather you guys have come out, which shows the warmth in each and every one of your heart for Bollywood, especially for Kajol. Yes, but let's also show some love for Joya Lucas. Yes, let's hear it for Joya Lucas. A round of applause for Joya Lucas. All right, so let me tell you a little bit of Joya Lucas. All right, so they've been spreading joy, adding a little sparkle in your lives. All right, so 4 continents, 19 countries, the 190 stores, all right, and 12 countries and growing. So 4 continents, 12 countries, and 190 plus showrooms throughout the world and still growing. So that's their track record, and today they are here. They're opening this beautiful store, and yesterday they were in Sydney. And Sydney was just sizzling, but I promised Kajol, Melbourne is going to be mind-blowing. Isn't it going to be mind-blowing, Melbourne? All right. So she's going to be here very shortly. Decide what you want to say. So when we're going to do the ribbon cutting, I don't like to say that word, but we are going to inaugurate this beautiful ribbon and she's going to cut it to mark the store open. So instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the old style, can I all ask you to say K-A-J-O-L? Can we do that? All right, so let's try it, okay? I want to try it. On the count of 5, let's go. K-A-J-O-L. Let's go. I love it. She's going to love it. Absolutely going to love it. All right, I'm going to come to you and ask you about Kajol. Who would be the first person? Nishka, you come forward. You also come forward, yes. Do you love Kajol? Have you watched her movie?
Yes. Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
You're too young to be watching that movie. Okay, tell me your favorite character of Kajol.
Anjali.
Anjali. Can anybody say a quick dialogue from the movie, from a character Anjali? Are you ready? Let's go.
Ladki, you are my best friend and Rahul is a cheater.
Rahul is a cheater.
Always a cheater. He's always be a cheater.
All right. Okay. Any singers in Melbourne here today? Any singers? Singers. Everyone is here only. All the people that want to talk to me are here. I'm coming to you. All right. Do you want to sing a song, Kajol's song?
लड़की बड़ी अनजानी है, सपना है सच है कहानी है, हाँ हाँ ये लड़की.
Oh, talented Melbourne. अच्छा वहाँ से कोई मेरे को आवाज दे रहा था. Yes, एक बार तालियां हो जाए. The beautiful singers we've got here. Hello, ladies. All right. Who is the singer?
Kalyani here. मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए, आके मुझे छेड़ जाए, उससे कहो कभी सामने तो आए, मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए.
Thank you, Asha and Kalyani. Chorus में गा रहे. Boys? No boys? No, I want men. Gentlemen. No, I want a gentleman. Nobody wants to sing a Kajol song and everybody. Yeah. You want to sing? I'll come back when Shah Rukh comes. Shah Rukh and Kajol's song.
I know someone who would be here, and maybe, let's say for instance, if I were here, Kajol would be a little intimidated too. I'm telling you that. Does anyone know Amrish Puri at all? Yeah? So let's say for an instance, if he was here, I'm just trying, I haven't tried mimicry in a while. Are bulati, oye shom shabo shasha. अरे भाई, ओए राज के बच्चे, ओए तू तो मेरी एक बात भी नहीं मानता. ओए तुझसे मैंने कितनी बार कहा है, इसके साथ मत निकला कर. ओए तू चला जा यहाँ से. ओए. That's all I know.
Thank you, but Simran will not listen. She will go for her darling, wouldn't she? Those memories that we have. सबके शादियों में तो पक्का we've heard these songs, right? मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना. We used to sing this song so much. All right, you guys are in tune. I love that, Melbourne. So you guys are ready for Kajol. तो अभी आ जाएंगी. So remember the countdown is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? It is? I love you all so much. So cute. All right, so I'll come back. फिर से आ जाऊंगी मैं. And she'll be right here. And she'll cut the ribbon. And then she will talk to you all. All right? So अपना प्यार बस जोर से चिल्ला के बोलना. I love you, Kajol, when she comes here. And एक बार फिर से एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Joy Alucas for making this possible here. Big round of applause for Joy Alucas. Wonderful. All right, I just wanted to come and say hello to everyone. So thank you for your patience. I'll be back very shortly. Thank you.
Hello. I'm good. No, I left today. I can't see anyone.
जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे
when she comes here. They're gonna say, we love you, Kajol. And when I say countdown, you're gonna say Kajol. Remember those two things, all right? Perfect. So tonight, we are not just opening up a new store, we are opening up into your hearts, and the journey will continue. This warmth will continue. Joy Lucas adding joy, one person at a time, one family at a time. Our dignitaries, please. Also, oh! I can hear that roar. Can you hear that roar, Melbourne? Who is here? Who is here? Okay? When she's out of the car. The euphoria has set. The heart rate has gone up. Suddenly it's not so cold anymore. It's warm. And it's getting warm. Are you ready to shout your favorite Bollywood star's name? Who do we love? Who do we love? Who do we love? Melbourne, make some noise! Hey! That was quick! She will be back. It's just raining, so she will be back. Thank you so much for sticking on. So Melbourne, since you have been waiting in the rain, Kajol is coming out in the rain for you! And it's cold, so let's warm it up. Show us your warmth, so she'll feel nice and warm and gooey inside, alright? And she'll take these memories back. If anybody who knows some prayers that can stop this rain, now is the time.
Rain, rain, go away.
I like that. Perfect. Rhymes, prayers, whatever works.
Come in out.
Gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome a woman that represents confidence, elegance, and legacy. Melbourne has been waiting for you, ma'am, and thank you so much for coming out in this cold. But everyone's dying to hear from you. Yours, yeah. Anybody wants to say something before Kajol? That's it.
Hello, Melbourne. Love you guys. Thank you so much. It's raining and I've run inside, but you guys are still standing out here, and I was like, no, I have to come back out. Yes. So happy to see you. really all of you, or even those that I cannot see, far, far away. Hello and thank you for being here, and thank you for giving me all this love. I'm extremely, extremely grateful for it. Thank you.
Melbourne. And do you love Melbourne?
I haven't been here before. I have not shot in Melbourne, even though everybody else has. And if yes, what's there not to love? Really, everybody over here. How much more can I love you? Really. Thank you. I love you too.
Ma'am, the next Joy Lucas store, wherever it's opening, we don't know, but do you know? And where do you want it to open? In which part of the country?
Honestly, I think wherever Mr. Joy
International operations, please. Can I have a huge round of applause?
Excuse me.
Social Jack, want to see you. And we've also got his better half, Sonia Lucas, the director of Joy Lucas. Thank you so much for joining.